welcome to this morning yoga class, or a gentle 10-minute yoga class that's going to help release stiffness and bring flexibility and strength back to the body. So would you like to join me on your mats? And we'll start off in child pose. So touching the toes together, taking the knees wide, and as we lengthen the spine, just be aware of how the breath expands all the shoulder blades and the back. So just breathe into the back of the lungs. Expanding the capacity to breathe with each breath. And just bring your awareness now to the breath. And begin to make your way back up onto all fours, coming to a tabletop position. We're just going to do a few rounds of cat and cow. But if you'd like to keep the knees wide, and maybe take the hands further forward. This time we're going to inhale, really lengthen the spine, and look up, and exhale, come back down into child pose. Again, inhale, lengthening. Exhale, down into child pose. Now we want to bring into this movement a small lion's breath. Now, a quick explanation of lion's breath is to breathe in through the nose, and as you exhale out of the mouth, you want your tongue to come out and you want your eyes to look upwards. So we'll try that to go. Again. And one more time. Audibly. And then gently bring yourself back up into a tabletop position. So now take your right leg out to the side and come onto the left foot. And we're just going to do an extended side angle pose. Just gently stretching up the left side of the body. Wherever is comfortable for you, wherever you feel you need to put some effort into releasing tight muscles. Then we're going to take the hand to the air. We're going to take the weight onto the right hand. We can come into a side plank. So if you want to lift up that knee and take the foot behind, we're just going to come into a gentle side plank. Right, bring the knee back down, take it out, and this time come up and just gently stretch over to the other side. Very good, coming back down into a tabletop. So again, we're going to go to the other side, take the left foot out, bring the right foot round. We're going to come into an extended side angle pose and hold here. Take a few deep breaths. Again, I'm going to raise the arms, start to take the weight onto the left hand, spread the fingers. Take the foot to the edge and then begin to lift the weight up and bring the foot behind you. And breathe. Take the knee back down, take it out to the side, come back up, and we're going to extend this way over the extended leg. Just do a gentle side stretch here. Coming back to center. We'll come round on your knees. We're going to come back into a cat and cow pose. So we're going to inhale and do some cow. Exhale, cats. And if you want to say to yourself, moo and meow, then just adds an element of fun to this. Okay, so take the right leg, bring it back up to a low lunge position. Come up to find your balance, maybe place your hands on your knees. Straighten the spine, reach up, arch gently back. I'm going to hold for 3 breaths. Bring hands back down. We're going to scoot the right leg forwards. This time we're going to bring it back. Come forward to half splits. Again, forwards. Feeling that stretch on the hips. Look up. Exhale, gently push back into half splits. One more time. Then we're going to bring the foot back up to a half lunge. Place the left hand down, take a gentle twist to the right. And come back down to center. Take the right foot back. Maybe just drop down into child pose. And then come back up and take the left foot forward. Find a comfortable position. Maybe you want to find support on your knee. Maybe you want to raise your arms. Reach up, reach slightly back, just finding that gentle, balanced back bend. Gentle pull on the right hip. And take the hands down. I'm going to scoot the left leg forwards. Then we're going to push back to a half split. Inhale, come forward, feeling that stretch on the hips. And push back to half splits. We're taking this very slowly, just a couple of breaths, just to work into the deepening of the stretch there. Then come and bring your hands and your leg back to a low lunge. Take your right hand down, we're going to twist to the left. And hold here for 3 breaths. And then come back to center. This time we're going to take ourselves down onto our belly, placing the forearms flat on the floor. Want the legs active, but not too stressed in the lower back. So take the heels out to the sides. Just going to gently push up from the arms. Take the shoulder blades back, relax, and lengthen the neck. Breathe through the nose. Expand the stomach, expand the chest. So this time we're going to walk ourselves back, come back onto all fours. We're going to lift the right leg, take the left hand behind us, and just come into a gentle twist. And bring the knee down. Same, we're going to lift the left leg, take the right hand, and then try and find a center as we twist gently into this pose. And release. Now if you come to a seated position, and then take yourself into a wide-legged side fold. So Janusasana with a side twist. So keep your left leg tucked into your upper thigh. Try to find a relaxed position. We're just going to go gently to the side. So take the upper arm, lay it on the ground, however you feel comfortable. Start to twist the body, look over your left shoulder. Then raise your arm, stretch into the fingertips, hold it high. Inhale. Exhale, we're just gently going to start stretching over to the other side. Don't have to go all the way down. Just working on waking up the sides of the body, muscles of the waist. Inhale, come back up, stretch up into the fingers, and then gently tuck the legs, straighten out on the other side. Excuse the cat hair on me, it's disgusting. Okay, so again, taking the forearm down to the ground, start to look over your right shoulder, bring this knee down. So it's kind of, while you're twisting, you're trying to bring this knee further to the ground. Inhale and reach up, then reach up into the fingers. Exhale, start to lengthen the sides of the body. We're just going for that point of tension. Very good, then come back to center. Now take both legs wide. And we're going to do the same but with wide legs. So again, finding the place to rest the forearm. I like to sort of half use my knee in this pose. Inhale, reach up, exhale, folding into that side body, twisting so that you are looking towards the ceiling. Then bring the weight of the arm over to the other side. Begin to reach up into the arm and then lengthen over the leg. Come back to center. Now this time we're going to walk forward over the extended leg and just relax the shoulders and the spine. Walk yourself back up, change sides and walk back down over the other leg. Then lastly, take your hands wide to the toes and just gently let your body fall forward towards the ground in a gentle forward fold. Inhale, come back up to center, then take the feet together, but have quite a large diamond between your feet and your body. So we're not bringing the feet right into the body in Baddha Konasana. We're just going to find a comfortable place where we could stretch over and meet the feet. This time, I want to thread the hands under the legs and try to find your elbows meeting floor perhaps, you can take hold of your feet and you can start to feel that stretch in the small of the back. And just bring your head down, relaxing. There's no need to force any of this. Let's feel a lengthening on the spine, a releasing of the lower middle back. Then inhale and walk yourself back up. We're just going to finish with a simple twist. So if you want to bring your right foot in to your hip, left leg comes over the side, comes onto the foot, so that you have your knees pretty much over each other, sitting up straight, feeling a gentle twist on your hips. Take your left hand behind you to support you, raise up into the right arm, twist and fold, and try and place your elbow on the outer knee. Inhale, lift, exhale, rotate. So release, come back to center. Do the left leg into the body. Right leg goes over the top. We kind of want the knees above each other. We're going to go to the right this time. So inhale the left arm. I'm going to take the elbow to the outside of the right knee. Inhale and lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. Very good, then release. Come back to center. Going to find your way into Savasana if you like. I'll invite you just to take a few seconds in a cross-legs pose position. Maybe you want to take your hands to prayer pose. Maybe you want to take your hands into prayer pose, drop your head. Breathe into your heart, look into your heart space. If we're ready, we will chant Om. So inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Inhale, exhale, bring your head down to your chest. Open your eyes and then humbly raise your head. Thank you for watching. Namaste.